Can you grill in a NYC apartment building? Grilling in a New York City apartment building may be possible, but the rules are strict and depend on the type of grill, the location, and your building's policies. Under New York City Fire Code Section 307.5.3, portable outdoor barbecues must be placed at least 10 feet away from any combustible material. That includes building walls, deck surfaces, outdoor furniture, combustible roofing, and other flammable objects or surfaces. Doors and windows within 10 feet of a grill in use must also be kept closed to the maximum extent feasible. You must also keep either a portable fire extinguisher with a minimum 4A rating or a garden-type hose connected to a water supply readily accessible while grilling. For many Manhattan residents, the 10-foot clearance rule makes balcony grilling impractical because most balconies are too small to comply. If the title question is whether you can grill in a NYC apartment building, the answer is yes in some cases, but often not on a typical apartment balcony. Failing to follow the clearance rule can lead to FDNY penalties, civil liability, and possible insurance problems if a fire occurs. Even when city rules allow a grill, your co-op or condo board may still ban it through house rules, bylaws, or a proprietary lease. Many boards prohibit grilling because of fire risks, insurance requirements, and concerns about smoke affecting neighboring units. Natural gas grills are allowed in some residential settings, but permanently located units and associated piping must be installed by a New York City licensed master plumber and filed by a registered design professional. Portable natural gas grills are regulated under the Fire Code, and gas piping for those units must also be installed by a licensed master plumber. Electric grills are legal at residential properties in New York City, including balconies, terraces, rooftops, and yards, as long as the 10-foot clearance rule is met and the building allows them. Because electric grills draw significant power, an electrician licensed by the Department of Buildings may be needed to confirm the outlet can safely handle the load. Improper electrical connections can create a fire hazard, and extension cords should not be used unless approved by the manufacturer and properly rated. Propane grills face the toughest restrictions in apartment buildings. In a multi-family building, standard 20-pound propane tanks cannot be stored or used on a balcony, roof deck, roof, rear yard, or courtyard. The limited exception is for portable barbecues designed for LPG containers of 16.4 ounces or less, with no more than 4 such containers stored per dwelling unit. Charcoal grills are legal on terraces and in backyards, but they are prohibited on balconies and rooftops. Like other grills, charcoal setups must still satisfy the 10-foot clearance rule and have immediate access to a fire extinguisher or water supply. Most apartment balconies in Manhattan cannot satisfy these requirements, which is why larger terraces, rooftops, and backyards may offer better options where rules permit. Insurance is another major issue because a grill-related fire can damage neighboring units and common areas, creating liability for repair costs, relocation expenses, and legal fees. Violating fire code or building rules may also complicate or undermine an insurance claim, depending on the policy language and the facts of the loss. Before using any grill, a resident should review building rules, measure the space carefully, confirm electrical or gas compliance, and understand any insurance exclusions. A lawyer can help review co-op or condo documents when grill restrictions are unclear or disputed. A Manhattan real estate attorney may also help owners understand their rights involving building regulations, property use, and city code compliance. If you need guidance, the attorney and lawyer team at Avenue Law Firm can help you assess building rules and property use issues, and Avenue Law Firm is located at 505 Park Avenue Suite 202, New York, New York, 10022, United States, and can be reached at 212-729-4090.